Hi guys, I recently got this Excite battery Explode from my KTM RC390 XLTZ9, which right now currently I'm charging at home. Now, why did I invest in this sophisticated charger? So if you can see right now, it's already been more than 15-20 minutes which I am charging this new and fresh battery. If you can see, when I started, the voltage here was 12.3 and the operating voltage is around 14.3, should be right. And if you can see the charge level, so when I started it was below 20%. Right now I guess it's 40% because it's been charging for 20 minutes, but the battery charge was below 20%. So this is a fresh new battery which I've gotten, and this is a common trick which these dealers they do is they keep your battery under charge, like below 20%, and the voltage difference also was less. So it's clearly written here that the ideal voltage should be 12.2 plus and minus 0.2, and before you fit your battery in your bike or car, this should be around 12.8 to 13.3 volts, in the range of this, when you are when you start the bike, and it's written that recharge the battery if it is below 12.4 volts. And mine was 12.3 something. And usually these dealers will say, okay, it's a new battery, your bike or car, when you run it'll charge. But how will my bike charge a battery which is below 20%? Even if you see, if you I started recording late, but even if you think it's below 40%, like above 40%, you need to do a Kanyakumari ride, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir ride to charge the battery, because alternators are not strong enough to charge fast your battery. So that's why I had invested in this a smart battery charger. It's about 2,800 rupees, and it's quite nice. As you can see, I've just plugged it and see it's open, recently bought. So I'm charging my bike battery. Same thing you can do with your car batteries. Even if you have boats, trucks or whatever, you can use anything with it. Like, it has so many good functions, like repair function. It says it can even charge dead batteries.